Welcome to This Explainer. Look, today we're tackling something that hits absolutely all of us as we get older, and honestly, it might completely change the way you shop for groceries. We're going to talk about how to swap out those crazy expensive, highly processed protein powders for everyday accessible refrigerator staples that actually build and protect your muscles naturally. So if you've been wondering how to stay strong, active, and independent without dropping a fortune on the latest supplement fad, well, you are in exactly the right place. Think about it for a second. The supplement industry pulls in billions of dollars every single year. Marketing constantly bombards us with this idea that we absolutely need these giant tubs of expensive powders just to hold on to our muscle mass. But let's ask a provocative question here. What if the strongest, most resilient muscles were built right from the food sitting in your refrigerator right now? The truth is, nutrition experts largely agree that humble whole foods provide way more than just isolated protein. In fact, they might just be the real secret to aging strong. Section 1, the hidden muscle loss trap. Okay, let's dive into this. Because to really understand why this matters, we have to face the physiological reality of aging. Starting around age 30, we actually start to gradually lose muscle mass every single year. But when we hit 50, that process doesn't just continue, it rapidly accelerates, especially if we aren't paying close attention to our nutrition and exercise. This age-related muscle decline actually has a medical name, sarcopenia. I know, it sounds a bit intimidating, and the stakes are undeniably high. It leads to reduced strength, poor balance, which obviously increases the risk of falls, a slower metabolism, and ultimately a loss of independence. But here is the fantastic news. This muscle loss is not inevitable. Your muscles are incredibly resilient. They will absolutely continue responding to quality nutrition and resistance exercise well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Section 2, Why Protein Powders Fall Short. So if we know we need to protect our muscles, you might be thinking, why not just chug a protein shake and call it a day? Well, when we actually compare powders to whole foods, the contrast is kind of stark. Sure, a scoop of powder might give you 25 grams of protein, but look at what else you're getting, or more accurately, what you're missing. They're highly processed, they're often packed with artificial sweeteners, gums, and weird fillers. Plus, they severely lack essential elements like fiber, potassium, and magnesium. And let's be real, a lot of people experience major bloating and digestive issues from them. Now compare that to whole foods. You're still getting that natural protein, but it comes packaged with antioxidants, healthy fats, and it actually gives you sustained energy throughout the day. Section 3, the magic of food synergy. And this brings us to a really fascinating, scientific, actionable alternative to those isolated supplements. It's basically the reason why whole foods are vastly superior for our long-term health. Let's break down this concept of food synergy. Scientists often call this the food matrix. It's this scientifically backed idea that protein, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fats actually work way more effectively together in their natural form than when they're stripped apart into isolated nutrients. It's like a giant puzzle, right? Because of this natural structure, whole foods digest much more gradually. This means your muscles get a steady, prolonged supply of amino acids, you get far better nutrient absorption overall, and you stay feeling full and energized for a lot longer. Section 4. 8 Natural Muscle-Building Foods. So, what exactly are these foods? Let's run through 8 inexpensive, everyday items that are entirely backed by nutritional science. Honestly, you probably already have a few of these sitting in your kitchen. Let's start with our animal-based powerhouses. First up is ricotta cheese. This is a highly underrated food. It's naturally rich in whey protein and leucine, which literally acts like a switch to tell your muscles to start rebuilding. Next is canned salmon. It's an affordable superfood packed with omega-3s to reduce inflammation, plus, and this is super cool, it has soft, edible bones that give you a huge boost of calcium. Then we have whole eggs. Please don't fear the yolk. Each egg has all 9 essential amino acids for complete muscle repair. Fourth is kefir, that fermented milk drink. It's great for gut health, sure, but it also contains casein protein, offering a slow release of nutrients that is absolutely perfect for overnight recovery. And finally, sardines packed in olive oil. These tiny fish deliver enormous nutrition, including calcium from their edible bones and Q10 for incredible bone and muscle strength. Now, muscle building isn't just about animal products. Let's look at some incredible plant-based muscle builders. Number 6 on our total list is watermelon. Yes, watermelon. It's not just water. It contains citrulline, which boosts nitric oxide production, improving blood flow and reducing soreness, which makes it a perfect snack an hour before or right after a workout. Next, black beans. They offer fantastic plant protein, but their fiber and resistant starch are the real heroes here. They feed healthy gut bacteria and stabilize your blood sugar for consistent energy. Finally, beets. Beets are incredible for athletic performance. They're naturally rich in nitrates, which also convert to nitric oxide, drastically enhancing your endurance and oxygen delivery during exercise. Section 5, your daily muscle meal plan. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how we can take all of these isolated ingredients and actually apply them to your day. Because knowing the foods is only half the battle, right? Eating them in a way that fuels your day is where the magic actually happens. Look how easily these 8 foods combine into a perfect timeline. In the morning, you could start with a veggie omelet using whole eggs with toast, or maybe have some ricotta cheese topped with berries and walnuts. For midday, a black bean salad mixed with canned salmon and olive oil gives you protein, healthy fats, and fiber. In the evening, enjoy a fresh watermelon slice, and then a dinner of roasted beets alongside sardines or some baked salmon. Finally, right at night before bed, a glass of kefir gives your body that slow-digesting casein protein to repair your muscles while you're fast asleep. It's sustained energy and maximum muscle support all day long. Section 6, habits for lifelong strength. Of course, eating right is a massive piece of the puzzle, but food synergy is only one part of the equation. To truly protect your muscles as you age, you absolutely have to pair this incredible nutrition with foundational lifestyle habits. First, you want to aim for 20 to 35 grams of protein per meal. But, and this is absolutely crucial, spread your protein intake evenly throughout the day. Don't just eat a tiny breakfast and a small lunch and then try to backload all your protein at a massive dinner. Your muscles need a steady supply to rebuild. Next, you've got to include resistance training at least 2 to 3 times per week. Muscle responds to demand. If you don't use it, you lose it. You also need to get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, because sleep is when the actual physical repair happens. And finally, stay well hydrated and make sure you're eating enough overall calories to maintain that hard-earned muscle. Which brings us to our final thought. Are you ready to trade the supplement aisle for the produce aisle? Protein powders can definitely be convenient in a pinch, I get it, but they really shouldn't replace the complex, nutrient-rich whole foods we've explored today. Building and preserving your strength isn't about chasing the latest supplement fad. It's about empowering yourself to consistently choose nourishing foods like eggs, salmon, ricotta, and beets, and pairing them with a healthy, active lifestyle. That is the true, scientifically backed recipe for staying strong, active, and independent for decades to come. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Here's to building a stronger you straight from your own refrigerator.